Hey, I'm Dave from Matter Hackers. This is the Bambu Lab H2D Pro. It is the machine specifically designed for uses in industrial and professional environments. Everything from the e-stop button, as well as all the things that Bambu Lab are known for: high speed, ease of use, wild reliability, better than ever before, and then that extra layer of security to know that your parts that you are printing are safe. To learn more about the Bambu Lab H2D Pro, let's break it down. The H2D Pro arrives ready to print advanced materials right out of the box. Both hot ends come standard with abrasion-resistant tungsten carbide nozzles with a maximum temperature of 350 degrees. This means more time successfully printing materials previously seen as too advanced for desktop printers. To make the most of this hot end capability, the chamber is actively heated or ventilated. The H2D Pro is capable of maintaining temperatures up to 65 degrees when needed, while keeping the air inside the machine clean through advanced filtration. That combination ensures fewer print failures and better looking parts from both advanced and common filaments. The dual nozzle system unlocks multi-material options in a polished package. Mix rigid and flexible filaments in the same print, or run a dedicated support material for towers that melt away in water. To make managing multiple filaments easy, the updated AMS2 Pro stores and dries 4 spools at a time. The included AMS-HT feeds the other nozzle and can dry filament at 85 degrees. This makes it an ideal solution for getting strong prints from engineering polymers like nylon. This means your spools are always on standby, dry and ready to print at a moment's notice. The status monitoring system on the H2D Pro manages 15 sensors along the filament path to ensure clogs, jams, and other print anomalies are caught at the source. The AI nozzle camera can identify adhesion issues from the best vantage point possible. When paired with the included vision encoder plate, the H2D Pro optically calibrates the motion system to 50 micron accuracy across the build area. Many workplaces require an e-stop button on any machine on their shop floor. The H2D Pro ships with a solution right in the box. There's a key difference in the H2D Pro that has proven to be massively important for teams working in secure environments, and that's the network connectivity options. The H2D Pro provides enterprise Wi-Fi authentication and an Ethernet port for facilities where wireless connectivity is unavailable. There's also a network kill switch, tucked away just out of view, that physically disables wireless connectivity. If you need to be sure there is not a single piece of hardware on board capable of wireless communication, we've got your back. At Matter Hackers, we create tailored systems for enterprise and government customers to fit their needs. From deployment and training to ongoing support, we will make sure we set up the perfect solution for your situation. The Bambu Lab H2D Pro has become my workhorse, the machine that I personally rely on for all of my applications. The fact that it has an e-stop button right on it means it is meant for those industrial and professional use cases. That, along with everything that Bambu Lab has been known for, the reliability, ease of use, and the amazing speed that this printer prints with, is just a cherry on top. Finally, Matter Hackers being your guide for security, especially those enhanced features to know that when you are printing something, those files are yours and yours alone, makes it absolutely the best machine that you guys can buy for your applications today. To learn more and to get one now, go to matterhackers.com.